In this video, we'll create the game class. We need a class that will go in our subset, in our game folder. We need a class that will load the game, update it, and draw it. But for now, we have nothing. We just have an engine start. So we need a way to create this class. The point is, in my architecture, the engine is responsible for making the game a loop. So I need a way to insert in this engine a game class. A game class that will have to be here, because the game has to be edited in this folder. So I will create two classes actually. First, I will create my game class. So let's create it, game. So here I can keep this, yes, I think I can keep this word. So I will create my game class, and in it I will have, as I told you, a load function. Actually, I'm using Pascal casing. So a load function, I will have an update function that will take a float and delta time. And I will have a draw function. For now, I don't put a delta time. We'll see later. Okay. So what I could do here is, in my main, just call this game class. The point is I cannot run it because the running part is happening in the engine class, in the engine part. So the way I will use my game class is I will actually make this game class inherit from a game interface. And this game interface will be in the engine. So I can copy this. Here I will create a new header called iGame. So this will be my game interface. And in it, oh sorry, I don't need this. In this game interface, I will also have load, update, and draw. But those will be pure virtual functions. What's the problem here? Load is not virtual. Okay, so yeah, it has to be virtual. Actually, virtual void. Okay, nice. So now I have my game interface in the engine part, and in my engine I will actually use it. So in my engine here I will include iGame, and in the header file I will just pre-declare it. Class iGame. It should be enough. And in my engine class, I will want to store a pointer to the iGame interface. So and what I will do is I will pass, actually, could it be, maybe it could be a unique pointer. Okay, I'll implement it with a row pointer, and then I will maybe use a unique pointer. So actually I will pass through the start function my pointer to the game class. So start will also have an iGame pointer. Okay. What's happening here? Oh, okay, I miss a comma. And now I have to use this here. Okay. Again, I need a comma. Okay, so now what I can do is just passing the pointer. Like, okay, my game will be equal to this pointer. Fine, and now I can use this pointer and use the functions that are here. So in my engine, what I want is, I want the game to be loaded. I want the game to update. So for now, I will pass 0 as a delta time. And I want the game to be drawn. This should actually happen in the draw part of the game. Or maybe I could also create a renderer class. I'll see that. So for now, I'll comment it out. And I will draw my game with the game class. So now my game interface is used in order to load, update, and draw the game. I will actually implement those functions here. So this game class will inherit from the interface I game. I just have to include it, I suppose. Yes. Okay, and now I can implement those functions. Okay, so my game can be loaded, updated, and drawn. For now, it's no use, I have nothing in it. But now I need to pass a game instance here. So what I will do, so for now I will just, actually it will be a game. So I need to import it. And here I will pass the pointer. Okay. Oh yeah, and what I wanted to do also is take what was here and try to put it here. Maybe it would work. Okay, so now I have to regenerate my build files. So I'm using a keyboard shortcut in order to reload the CMake files. And then, okay, I build it. I have some warnings. Okay, they need, okay, I forgot this. I need a trivial destructor. Well, actually, this is in French. I would have to update this. So here I need a trivial destructor. It will be a game. It has to be virtual, I think. and I need it to be void implemented. Is it right? Okay, I prefer it this way. Should be good. Okay, no. Is it what I thought? The fact that my engine is defining the window, yeah, the drawing of the game should actually happen in the engine part. So I have to find a way to do this. I think the better way to do this is to create a renderer class that will actually handle everything related to rendering. So I will create this renderer class. Okay, call it gamey. Okay, and this function will have to do, oh, for now, public. I will have a begin draw. So I will mimic what Reveries is doing. So I will have begin draw, clear screen, sorry, and end draw. Okay, let's implement this. So here I can use Reveries again, and actually just use what I had in my engine parts. So begin draw, clear background, and draw. And now in engine, I will actually create a renderer. So I create my renderer, and in engine I will call the renderer here. So not here actually, here. And I will have my game loop this way. Probably I can do it now. I will have to pass the renderer through the game class in order for the renderer to ask some rendering too. So I will do it now. So I need to change iGame, and here I will pass the const reference to the renderer. Is it working? So I suppose I need to pre-declare the renderer. And I will have to do the same in game. Yeah. Actually, it uses this, so it's fine. And yeah. And yeah, I must include the renderer part. Okay, so that now I can use, or actually I don't need this anymore. So yeah, I will call something like renderer.draw something, draw texture, draw sprite, draw rectangle, etc., etc. Okay, so this renderer will act as a wrapper around rendering Raylib functions. Okay, I think that's good. Let's try it. Oh, draw. Oh, okay. Here I should call. Okay, it was logic. Yeah, I should pass the renderer here. Okay, now it's good. Okay, and it works. So we have our game class. I use this little pattern in order to be able to edit the game here. I don't need Raylib anymore, actually. Be able to edit the game here, but make everything work from the engine part. Oh, actually, I told you I wanted to use a unique pointer for this game class, so I will do it now. Then, what I will do is create in the main class a unique pointer and then pass it through stdmove to the engine. Okay, so in the engine I will need a unique pointer. So using std unique pointer. I suppose I need to include something. Is it memory? I think it's memory. Okay. So here I want a unique pointer of iGame. And I will want this to become the unique pointer. So I suppose I can do something like that. Let's now go here. Okay, so I pass the unique pointer here and I std move it into the game unique pointer. This should be okay. And now when I create my game in the main file, I will use make unique here. And can paste it here. And in my main file, I would reinterpret my unique pointer of a game into R value of a unique pointer of a I game. Okay. This is fine since this code is a little complex, but this is fine since it is only something that happened once, and when I compile this, it seems to work. So I hope everything will go well, and we will see later if it's a good solution or not. Okay, so here it is for this part. Okay, so I think it's not bad. I could stop the video here. Yeah, I will stop the video here, and in next video I will do a small refactor because I want to define some types and also use some tools. For instance, I would like to have a logging system that would create files. So I will do this in the next video, and for this video I think it's good. We have a renderer and a game class that will be very helpful when we will go and code the game. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye!